Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about expected value of multiple random variable function example. The example is random variables capital X and capital Y have the joint density function fxy of x comma y is equal to 1 by 24 for x is equal to 0 to 6 and y is equal to 0 to 4 and fxy of x comma y is equal to 0 elsewhere. What is the expected value of the function g of x comma y is xy whole square? Coming to the solution, given that the joint density function is 1 by 24 for x is equal to 0 to 6 and y is equal to 0 to 4. So we know that the expected value of the function g of x comma y is integral minus infinity to infinity, integral minus infinity to infinity, function g of x comma y joint density function into dx dy. So now here from the given data, given that the function g of x comma y is xy whole square. So therefore, expectation of xy whole square is equal xy square. So the range of the x is 0 to 6 and the range of the y is 0 to 4 from the given data. Xy square into joint density function is 1 by 24 into dx dy. So 1 by 24 is constant that is written before integration. Xy whole square is x square into y square. Separately integrating x square y square with respect to x and with respect to y. So parallelly we can integrate integral x square dx integral y square dy. So we have integral x square dx is x cube by 3 over 0 to 6. Integral y square dy is y cube by 3 over 0 to 4. So now here substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. Here also substitute upper value of y and lower value of y. We get expectation of xy whole square is equal to 1 by 24 into 6 cube minus 0 by 3 into here substitute upper value of y and lower value of y 4 cube minus 0 by 3 and simplifying RHS term finally we get expectation of xy whole square is 64. So this is the example of expected value of multiple random variable function g of x comma y.